Hello all, in this video we are going to learn about how to find ABDC journals. So ABDC, it is an Australian Business Deans Council. It publishes a list of journals with the categories from A, B, D and C. ABDC journals quality list was developed by Australian Business Deans Council in the year 2007 to overcome the regional and discipline bias of international journal quality lists. The list was first updated in the year 2009, followed by 2013 and 2016. The last list was updated in December 2019. The categories of ABDC journals are, it list divides into 4 categories. First one is A star. It represents approximately the top 5 to 7% of the journals which occupy in the position of A star. And 15 to 25% of the journals in the list will occupy the A category. 35 to 40% of the journals will represent in B category, and the remaining journals will represent in the C category. According to the list updated in the year 2019 December, the total number of journals included in ABDC list is 2682 journals. Among that, A star rated journals are 199, which means 7.41% of the journals will occupied in A star category, and A category journals are 651, which means around 24%, and another 850 journals will occupy in B category, which means 31%, and remaining 982 journals, which means 36% of the journals will occupy in the C category of list. It includes, which means the 2019 list will includes 144 upgrades, which means already from the list of 2006. If any journals are listed in C, now it become B, or B to A, or A to A star. So there is a upgrade of 144 journals. There are some downgrades from the list, that is 17, and the new list will include 157 new journals, and there is a removal of 241 journals from the 2016 list. So that is in the year 2019 list, it is updated in December, which includes of 241 removal of the journals from the 2016 list. There are different field of research or domain included in this ABDC list of journals: business and taxation law, economics, finance including actuarial studies, information systems, management, commercial services and transport and logistics, marketing and tourism. We can see about how to find the ABDC list. You just type the abdc.edu.au in the browser and click it, and this is a home page of the Australian Business Deans Council. Top right side of the corner you can find that more list. From that you can choose, there is a separate tab called research. You choose that arrow and you can see that there is a link called ABDC journal quality list updated in 2019. You just click here. It will directly send to the page which connected to 2019 ABDC journal quality list. So it will explain about the detailed information on the list. So how many journals are included in the 2019 list, how much percentage and everything. And if you click here 2019 Australian Business Deans Council journal quality list, it is automatically one tab will open, that is the Excel file of the tab will open, which comprises of all the journals. There is a possibility even you can sort the list. Suppose you need only A category journals, you can able to see. There is a field of research, year inception, ISSN, publisher name, everything it will be included here. Suppose I need the list on C category, say I am going there and search it C category, remove that list. I just wanted only C category of journal. You go here and you can find. There are some Indian journals which also take place, which included in the C list. Say example, there is a journal called Finance India. So this journal is takes place, which included in the C list, Finance India. And there is another one journal called Indian Journal of Marketing. Indian Journal of Marketing. This journal is also included in the C category of the ABDC list. So there are some Indian journals like Indian Economic Review, Indian Journal of Corporate Governance, Economics, Finance, Indian Journal of Finance and Banking, Gender Studies, Industry Relations, Labor Economics and Marketing. So these are the journals are take place in the ABDC list. Then you can also search it, the detailed report of the journals, what are all the criteria the journal have included in the list and how they have analyzed, the team members or experts, how they have analyzed. The detailed report will be published in, there is a one link called report. So while you open here, you can find the link. So this is the link, Australian Business Deans Council 2019 Journal Quality List Review Final Report. See what is the ABDC objectives, what are all the contents which include here. So the same information it is published here. So here you can get some information, fruitful information. In the statistics field, there are 84 journals. A star category 8.33, A category 36%, B category and C category likewise. If you look into that figure on marketing, there are totally 154 journals are included in the ABDC list. Out of 154 journals, 7.14 journals, percentage of the journals are in A star category. A category, how many journals? B category, how many journals? C category, how many journals are included? So likewise also you can download and you can also read the information on how many journals, on what basis these journals are included, what are the reasons behind the journals have removed from the newest list. Everything you can able to read from this particular website, abdc.edu.au. So that's all about the how to find the ABDC journals list. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you very much for your patient listening.